All right, let's look at how to debug assembly code. So I'm going to use a debugger, GDB. But first of all, let's take a look at the code. So I've got this code called text.asm, and it has a text string, just the word text, followed by a new line character. And then I have a number 5, and this is stored as a defined double word. So these are bytes, and these are double word, one double word. And down here, I have a write statement that just writes out my text, and then I exit out, and that's all my program does. So I'm going to look at individual pieces and show you how you can see these with the debugger. So first of all, I will assemble the code, and then I'm going to use GDB to run the code. So it's called text. All right. So once I get into GDB, I want to set my breakpoint. So I type in break underscore start. So that will break it once the program starts running. So I run it. And once it's running, you can decide how you want to see what's going on. So I can look at the layout. So I'll do layout ASM. And then I will just do one little step I. Step I will jump into my code, and then you can see what's actually here. So this first step up here, you can see it moved some number into EAX. Now this is backwards from NASM, but you can get used to just seeing how it looks. So it's moving a number into this register, and this one's moving a number into this register, and then it's doing another thing here. And you can kind of look at this and say, well, wait a second, what's this address? Well, it's putting the address into the register. And what does that do? Well, what's at that address, first of all? And you can look at that by using the X for examine option. So I can do is just examine and just punch in the address. So 0x402.0.0.0, and it'll tell me, oh, that's at the address. And you look at that and you're like, well, 74, 78, 65, 74. Well, that's actually the word text. And those are the ASCII values in hexadecimal, which doesn't really help you. Maybe you want to see it as a string. So you do x/fs, so format as a string, and then you'll punch in that value, 0x402.0.0.0. And you can see, oh, it displays not just the first 4 characters, but also shows a new line, and then it also shows that number. All right. Well, the number was a different address. You can see the number 402.0.0.5 is the number's address. But let's take a look at that one. So I do 0, actually x, 0x402.0.0.5. If I look there, I can see the number 5. Also, if I wanted to look at it as a number, I could do x/fd for decimal, and then punch in the number 0x402.0.0.5, and I can see the number 5 is stored there. In addition to the string and decimal, I can also look at characters and floating points. A character is a C and floating point is an F. You can also do hexadecimal, which is an X. Additionally, you can also look at the instructions. So let's look at an address that has an instruction. You can see the syscall is here. The syscall is 40101C, and that's a syscall. So let's look that up. So I do X, and I will format that as an instruction, and it'd be 0x401 and 01C. And you can see, okay, that's a syscall. All right, we've already moved the number 1 into EAX. We can look at that using RAX or EAX using the info register command. Info register RAX. You can see it's the number 1. Info register EAX. And you can see that is also the number 1. They're both the same register, just different parts, different sizes of that register. After I move into this EDI, I can look at EDI right now. Info register EDI. You can see it has the value 0, but this instruction is move. So this is the current instruction that's going to be executed. So if I do step I, it will then run that. And then I can do info register EDI. And now EDI has the value 1. So you can kind of walk through it slowly and see what happens. And that will help you to troubleshoot things and figure out what's wrong. Once you're done, just type in quit, and it will ask you if you want to kill the program. And you say yes, and you're done. All right, so that's how you can debug an assembly language program.